right, so one of the best stretches that I love to do on an everyday basis. It helps alleviate a lot of the pressure that we have in our hips and also our lower back. All right, so what we're gonna do is the wall squat. Now, it's not like the wall squat that you're probably thinking about, the one with your back against the wall. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna bring our feet up against the wall. So we're gonna kind of mimic that squat pattern, right? But we're gonna use the wall as if it was the ground, okay? So what I want you to do is shimmy your butt as close to the wall as possible, and then you're gonna turn around here, face the wall, all right? You're gonna bring your feet down, not fully to 90 degrees, but just raised up a bit here, okay? So what I want you to do from this position is drive your tailbone into the ground, all right? And keep your feet a little wider than shoulder width. Now, if I were to flip my body around, it'd look exactly like how we're supposed to move in a squat, all right? So from here, I'm just gonna lay my arms back. I'm gonna relax and breathe. To intensify this stretch, what I would do is take my hands and give a gentle push and push those knees out slightly. A lot of times we'll see your big toes coming off the wall as soon as you start pressing those knees out. What I want you to do is try to keep all corners of your feet on the wall, just hanging out here for 3 to 5 minutes, okay? This is something that you can do daily. So just holding here, breathing and relaxing. You can bring those arms up. And I want you to think about belly breathing here. Inflating the belly, which is, I want you to picture a balloon, okay? And then you're exhaling, you're deflating that balloon, okay, that belly, and just belly breathing. That's gonna allow you to get a little deeper into the hips, all right? So try out the wall squat, and I guarantee you the hips and lower back are gonna start feeling a lot better. Have a great day, guys.